Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. Thank you for clicking on my video. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Now guys, today I am in the kitchen and I will be preparing hominy corn porridge. Now these are the ingredients that I will be using for the hominy corn porridge. The first ingredient that I'll be using is some dry corn. And guys, I have already gone ahead and soak overnight. And the reason why I soak it overnight so that it takes a shorter time to cook. The next ingredients that I'll be using, some milk, condensed milk, some vanilla, some cinnamon powder, a little bit of nutmeg, coconut milk, some salt to taste, and I have here some coconut flour that I will be using. I'll be using the coconut flour to thicken the porridge a bit. You can use regular flour if you wish, but today I'll be using the coconut flour. I am using 1.5 cups of hominy corn, and I'm adding that to a pot with about 6 to 7 cups of water. I will also be adding a little bit of salt, just a little salt to taste, and a tablespoon of sugar. And the reason why I'm adding the salt and the sugar, guys, I want these two ingredients to cook along with the corn so that it soak into the corn and cook along with it. But I'm not going to be adding the other ingredients that I've showed you at the beginning of the video. I'm not going to be adding those as yet. I'm going to allow this to cook for about 45 minutes. I'm now checking on the corn to see if it is fully cooked. Alright, so I'm gonna try to see if the corn is fully cooked. I'm just gonna try one of these corn. It's a little hot, guys. Oops. It's soft. So yes. So now that the corn is soft to taste, I'm going to be now mixing some coconut flour, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of the coconut flour, along with some coconut milk powder. Yes, guys, and I'm going to be using some room temperature water to mix those two ingredients together. The flour that I am using is going to allow the porridge to get thickened and give it that body. And as I've said before, guys, you can use whatever flour that you like. You can use the regular flour, you can use corn flour, you can even use cornmeal. As a matter of fact, I will be putting a little bit of cornmeal in mine too. So now I am just mixing the coconut flour and the coconut milk in. I just want to ensure that there is no lump. So you have to mix it well, guys. And then I will be adding it to the corn. So now I'm adding the flour and the coconut milk. And I'm going to just continue to stir while I add it. All right, just want to get everything in. Now I'm going to stir to allow all the ingredients to combine. The flour gonna give it that body, and helps it to thicken. And guys, while you're stirring, if it becomes too thick, you can go ahead and add some water, or if it is too thin, you can add a little cornmeal in some room temperature water. Allow this to cook for an additional 10 minutes or so. Now guys, look at the porridge. It is looking very creamy and delicious, right? And look at the consistency too. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. This is how I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead now guys and add the other ingredients. Now I'm adding in some vanilla and some grated nutmeg. Next, I am adding in some sweetened condensed milk, and the amount of milk that you use will be based on your taste. So as you stir in all of these final ingredients, you can taste as you go along and you can adjust the amount of ingredients that you are adding in. The final ingredient that I will be adding to the porridge is some cinnamon powder, and the amount of powder that you use will be based on your taste, or you can just go ahead and add 1 to 2 teaspoons. Now that all the ingredients have been added to the porridge, I am stirring so that everything can be combined and blended in properly. Now I'm going to allow this to cook for another 5 minutes or so. So guys, the hominy corn porridge is now ready. So I'm going to plate a bowl. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.